Hello everyone, today we are back with another informative video, and this time we will let you know our Google Ads codes for gyms. So now there are two type of websites we have for the gyms. One is for those who are selling gym products. Second one is for those, that is the lead generation one, who are selling gym subscriptions. So we can get into both of these. With the second one, that is the Google Gym subscriptions, what we have seen is the search network campaigns along with the remarketing works best over there. The visitor, they will have to go to the gym and then they will have to see whether they have all the things that the person is looking for to avail their subscription and to join that gym for 1 or 2 months based on their liking. So yes, these kind of campaigns work really very well. But the thing is, we need to target the keyword based on the intent rather than the keywords with their search volume. Meaning, we don't really need to target the keyword like gyms because it has huge search volume, but the intent is not there. We need to target the keyword like gyms near me. That way, the visitor, it seems that the visitor, they are looking for the gym exactly, and then they want to go to the gym and then they want to avail their subscription. So we have started doing the same for one of our client, and what we have seen was the keywords based on gyms near me or gyms subscription cost. These kind of keyword that has some kind of intent worked really very well for them. We have been able to get the gym owners some leads or clients on weekly basis, and they were saying that they want to increase the budget. So we have suggested them to run the ads for the Microsoft side of things and then for the Facebook side of things as well, because sometimes on Facebook side of things we can target the visitors based upon the interest. So somebody who is showing the interest in gyms or gyms equipment, we can start showing them the ads so that if they have some kind of goal to be fit in terms of their body shape, so they can just avail our services, go to our client's location, and then they can see whether they are good with that or not. So for the other side of things, that is for the website who is selling gym products, the Google Shopping ads works very well for them. We need to set up the Google Shopping ads for each campaign. We need to have separate product type. That way we will be able to do the bids management based on the pricing of the product, because the pricing of the gym product can vary from $100 to even $2,500 to $3,000 as well per product. So the bids needed to show our ads on Google Shopping for the higher value product will be higher than for those of the product with the lower value. The Google Shopping ads works really very well for them. And then we need to also start the remarketing ads for the add to cart abandoners. These will be for those visitors who have visited the website but they have left the website from the add to cart page, and we need to give them like an extra 5% off using a certain coupon code. That strategy also works really very well. So now, so as you can see, there are quite a lot of things that we can do, but we should start somewhere, because if you have a website and you want to gain some more business, you need to start somewhere. And then once we are able to find out there are few things that are working better than the other, then it is all about increasing the spend gradually but responsibly on your campaigns so that you can get some more business. If you have the similar business, or if you have any PPC campaigns running but are not getting the results that you are looking for, you can contact us on WhatsApp. There is a number in the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We should be able to help you right away for the free audit. We can start with that. If you have the PPC campaigns running, in the free audit we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But if you don't have any PPC campaigns running, then you can still contact us through WhatsApp. You can just share with us the website URL the monthly budget and the location targeting. We can do the research, and then we'll be able to give you the proposal on exactly what you can do to get some more business.